Welcome to the Waterfi waterproof Nike FuelBand SE walkthrough. The first thing we're going to cover is the button on the front of the FuelBand. The button allows you to cycle through the different displays of the FuelBand. It can tell you things like the calories burned today, steps taken, the current time, the fuel you've earned, and the hours you've won today. There's also a couple of shortcuts you can use using the button. If you tap it twice, it'll take you straight to the time. If you push and hold it, it'll take you to a Nike session, and a session is a great way to measure a run or a swim and separate out that time and learn how much fuel you earned during that one swim or run. You can see here the light is blinking, letting you know that you're currently in a session. To exit the session, just push and hold the button again. It'll ask you if you want to end, and just push it once to end it. It'll then give you a summary of the section. If you want to know how much battery is left on your Nike FuelBand, push and hold the button. It'll ask you if you want to start a session, continue to hold the button, and then it'll bring up your battery status. This FuelBand is almost fully charged. You can also turn on and turn off Bluetooth using the button, push and hold it again. It'll again bring up the session, and then the battery, and finally the option for Bluetooth. You can turn it off or turn it back on. The Nike FuelBand is not designed to actually track laps or give a completely accurate reading of activity in the water. However, it will award fuel, steps, and calories if you do take it swimming. To charge your FuelBand SE, first open the clasp by pushing the button, and then using the included charging cable, slide it in, and then slide the other side into the USB port of your computer. The FuelBand should then light up, letting you know that it's begun to charge. You can also plug the FuelBand straight into your computer without the charging cable. Just take the cable off. This also acts as a USB port. You can plug that right into your computer. A waterproof Nike FuelBand SE should last about 4 days on a full charge. Again, you'll see a light up letting you know it's charging. The waterproof FuelBand SE also comes with 2 different size extender links and a sizing tool. The 8mm link comes pre-installed on the FuelBand, but if you'd like to use the 16mm link instead, just grab the sizing tool. First, open up the clasp, flip it over, and you'll see 2 holes, one on the clasp and one on the extender link. Just use the pin, push it in the hole, and the clasp should come loose. You can do the same thing with the extender link. Then grab your 16mm link, push solidly in place and twist to secure. Do the same thing with the clasp. You can test it with a quick pull, and your FuelBand is now ready to use. Occasionally, the waterproof FuelBand SE will have an extender link that has trouble attaching to the clasp. To fix that, grab a small Phillips head screwdriver. Where the clasp should attach, there should be a Phillips head screw. Give it a quarter turn clockwise. That should allow the link to have a more secure fit.